Today I'm going to show you how to change your hair color and hairstyle just as you can see on the screen right now. So let's start. To change our hairstyle and hair color, we will use app that is called Hair Try On -AI Haircut. You can find a link to this app in the description of this video. Once you open the app, click on the Choose Photo from Gallery button and then choose the photograph that you would like to use to change your hairstyle or hair color. Once we do this, over here we can choose from hundreds of different hairstyles, as you can see over here. For the purpose of this video, I'm just gonna use maybe this hairstyle over here, and then below over here we can choose the hair color. As you can see, it starts from the normal color, typical colors like ginger brown, black, etc. Then we got more bold colors like purple, green, teal, etc. And then half colors. So maybe I'm gonna choose black and purple and I'm gonna hit change hairstyle. Right now, AI is analyzing our image and within 10-20 seconds it will apply our new hairstyle and new hair color. As you can see, it was already applied. You have to admit it looks awesome, and that's how you can change your hairstyle and hair color, especially before you go to your hairdresser. Let me know in the comments what is your favorite hairstyle and hair color, and remember to hit thumbs up, subscribe our channel and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching!